Hey guys, thanks for visiting our channel, Bonbon&Bangbang. Go ahead and visit our Instagram listed in the description below. Here's a little about us. This is Vanessa, or Bonbon. She's turning 21 soon. She works at a morgue and funeral home. She's such a sarcastic, goofy person that likes dancing a lot. But she gets on my nerves when she's a little indecisive that takes a long time to get ready. I'm Eric, or Bang Bang. Time is important to me because Bonbon takes forever. I work with chemicals, bio, and radiological hazards. I also like to eat. And eat. Oh yeah, and drink too. Also, cooking's a passion of mine. But you don't want to hear about us. You want to know what we're going to teach you. We'll show you how to build things. We'll take you on our travels with us. We will entertain you. We will show you how to cook and make recipes. We can even show you how to save, spend, and answer any of your questions. And if you feel like watching, feel free to comment and subscribe. Thank you.